Hey guys, welcome back to this channel where we talk life, food, family, and fun. And today I have some family members, my boys, who are gonna help me make a keto lime pie. It's a keto key lime pie. Say that 3 times really fast.
Keto key lime pie. Keto.
Okay, never mind. We're making a keto key lime pie. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Then let's do this. Okay, you don't watch my videos, clearly. You know, if you follow a keto diet, you have to make most of this stuff from scratch, all on your own, which actually is a good thing because it's really healthy. But occasionally you come across a store-bought item that makes your life just a little bit easier, and so it's kind of a semi-homemade. And we are going to be using this Dixie Carb Counters all-natural graham cracker style pie crust mix to see if we can make this keto lime pie. Never tried it before. We're gonna see if it works. It's supposed to have 2 packets in here. I have not opened it at all yet. Yep, it's got 2 packets in here, so it makes 2 pies. We're just gonna be making 1 today, but 2 pies. And for a serving size, it has got 5 carbs, 1 sugar, 4 fiber. So it is 1 carb for your crust. So that's pretty awesome. Let's see if this works. What you're gonna do is open up this package, Zach. Carefully open up this package and put it in this bowl. It's all in there.
Can I mix it?
Perfect, perfect. And then mix. Just mixing it in until it's all incorporated. Then we're gonna press it into a pan. All right, so now we are gonna dump this in here.
You press it in bowls.
Get all those good bits out, because that's the ones that are stuck in here. That's what's got the butter on it. All right. Okay, we're gonna press this in. So there it is. That's what it looks like there. We're gonna set that aside, and we're gonna make the filling. First, use a 1/4 cup of cream cheese.
That's cream cheese. Oh, look like butter.
Cream cheese. Jay, you're gonna put in
Eggies.
3 egg yolks.
Eggies.
Zach, you're gonna put in our homemade sweetened condensed milk that has been cooled.
Homemade sweetened condensed milk. Delicious.
This is our lime juice with a little bit of monk fruit and lime zest.
Squirted eye. Mom, can I mix
Bonus! Now you can do this in a food processor,
it?
but to be easy, we're gonna do it now. This will squirt everywhere. If you're not careful. Is it all in there? I think it is, right?
Yep.
That works good. All right, now we pour into our pie. We bake this at 325 for 14 to 17 minutes till it's just set, still jiggly, and we'll pull it back out. Ready to bake?
Yeah, right.
So you guys just go play for 14 minutes. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna show you how I made the keto sweetened condensed milk. Take a look. Okay, we've got a cup of heavy cream, 8 ounces of butter, 1 cup of powdered monk fruit. And we're just gonna simmer this at a low boil until it thickens, and we'll coat the back of a spoon. And then after that, we're gonna add in 4 egg yolks. Okay, here this is. It is just set up, still pretty jiggly, but we are going to refrigerate it for 4 hours, and then we'll be back to top it with some whipped cream. Can't wait to try it.
No sour, kind of chewy at the crust. This is amazing. Kind of like your coconut cream pie and like filling wise, but a little thicker rather than fluffy on the coconut cream
Custard like. Okay.
This is what key lime pie is supposed to taste like. It's legitimate. I think people would be shocked to know that this is not real. Shocked.
Good to know.
Really
Thanks.
good.
Okay, so the final verdict is we really did like this. I think that it is worth it to get the pie crust if you are needing something that's quick and easy. It is about $10, but you get 2 of them. I'll have it in the description box below. I don't get any kickback from it. It's on Nutrition's website, but just so it's easy access for you to order one if you want one. And if you want to adjust the sweetness level, you can add a little bit more sweetener to your lime juice before you mix it in with your custard and bake it. We didn't do it too much because we didn't want it super sweet, but if you really want to pump up that sweetness, then you can add some more to that. All right, you guys, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I hope that you will click the bell so that when you do, you're notified of every video I post. I do post every Tuesday and Thursday, and it's always something new, so I hope you'll consider subscribing. Also, if you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It does help my channel. Share it with your friends, and if you have not seen the coconut cream pie that I made, that one is by far the best dessert I think I've ever made keto-fied. So I will link that at the end of this video so that you can check that out as well, and I hope you'll make that. It does take 2 days to make it, so keep that in mind. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.